Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Snapchat not sending snaps problem. If you're trying to send snap and none of your snap is being sent, then it could be your slow internet. So make sure to check if your internet is fast or if it is working properly or not, and your problem should be fixed. But let's say your internet is not the problem, then what you can do is check if there is any update available for Snapchat or not, because sometimes due to lack of update as well it causes this problem. So my Snapchat says open, that means it's up to date. But if your Snapchat said update instead of open, you need to click on that in order to update your Snapchat. So go check your app store to see if there is any update for Snapchat or not. And even after updating your Snapchat, if your problem is still not fixed, check if Snapchat servers are down or not. Because if Snapchat server is down, the only thing we can do is wait until they fix their server issue and come back online again. So to check that, you can open up any browser. Just search for is Snapchat down detector. Once you search for it, the option where it says down detector, click on it. And then read the first paragraph. It says user report indicates no current problem at Snapchat, which means Snapchat server has no problem. That means the problem is with our device and our Snapchat. But if it showed like user reported current problem at Snapchat, then it would show you that there is a problem with Snapchat server. So since we have no problem with Snapchat server, the problem is with our device, and all the solution which I just showed you in the beginning should fix your issue. If it didn't, then the last option you can do is just delete your Snapchat app and reinstall it again. Doing that will reset your Snapchat app and should fix your problem. So that's how we guys can fix your Snapchat not sending snaps problem. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide. I'll see you guys next time.